another beautiful day in Bikini Bottom. Or was it? Meow! Gary, what's wrong? Meow meow! What did you say, Gary? Meow meow meow! Another superstorm? Meow. Wait, it's not a superstorm? Meow. Then what is it? Meow 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 meow. A whirlpool! I've got to warn everybody. Meow 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 meow. Meow. Squid! Word! Squid! Word! Don't worry, Clarinet, you'll be safe with me. Squid! Word! Squid! Word! SpongeBob! Why are you bugging me at 4:30 in the morning? But Squidward, didn't you hear? Yes, I know. Whirlpool Aaron. Now goodbye. Oh, that's what it's called. That's good to know. Patrick! I'm sorry. Patrick is not here right now. Please record your message after the beep. Beep. Patrick, Whirlpool Aaron is going past Bikini Bottom. It's like that superstorm last year, but worse. At 5:30 tonight, come over to my house and bring everything that you need to survive. And if you don't know, I'll just come over. Okay, bye SpongeBob. Bye Patrick's phone. Mr. Krabs! Hi boy. What do you need? Did you hear about Whirlpool Aaron? Great, another big storm. Do you remember what happened last year, SpongeBob? Yes, I do, Mr. Krabs. Well, try to forget about it. Because this year I'm taking the sign down. But I'm still keeping open this year. Haha. And plus, more money for me. Mr. Krabs, seriously, you should really stay home this time. Whirlpools are even worse than superstorms. Superstorms are just constant wind and lightning. But whirlpools are rain plus all that other stuff. Who cares about rain? Mr. Krabs, it could cause floods. Who cares about floods? I'm staying open no matter what. Now I'm gonna go take down that sign. Oh no! Well, I better get ready for the storm. Around 5:30. Oh, Gary, I wonder where Patrick is. Hi, SpongeBob. Oh, hi, Patrick. What did you bring? A few minutes later. Wow, Patrick, you brought everything you needed. A bunch of food. And my wife. Oh yeah, I forgot about her. Patrick, why did you marry a pole again? Never mind about that, SpongeBob. Right, Patrick. Hey, wait a second. Where's Gary? Oh. He's outside! A few minutes later. Gary, I'm so glad we found you. Meow meow. Oh no. One minute later. Another minute later. I'm running on the upstairs floor. Here is you. It's Trevor, you're there. I can't hear anything. No, I'm lost. I'm lost. About 15 minutes later. About 16 hours later. My house is being used as a boat. Might as well rescue everybody. 1 minute later. Thank you so much for saving us, Squidward. No problem. My rock. Me restaurant. My house. The remains of my restaurant. Meow, 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 meow. And my house has been reduced to a boat. Hopefully someone will plug the main drain sometime. Attention, Bikini Bottom! Heavy amounts of rain are about to hit. And yes, I mean very, very heavy amounts. What?